Merch. So, let's discuss Floyd Mayweather announcing that he is in negotiations for a Maypac 2 in Saudi Arabia.
And Gracie, I want to say thank you. It's an honor to come to Saudi Arabia to sit down with you guys to talk about the Mayweather-Pacquiao rematch. Saudi Arabia, Floyd Money Mayweather, I'm on my way.
Before we get there, we must cover Manny Pacquiao naming his new dog Thurman in a new episode of a show we like to call Keeping It 8 More Than 92 with you. Welcome back to Keeping It 8 More Than 92 with you. I am ShowBizz the Adult, here with former WBA champion Keith one-time Thurman. What was that? Here with former WBA champion Keith Bark-time Thurman. So, Keith, how things been going on since the Manny Pacquiao fight?
Bruh. Ooh, Scooby snack.
Right. So, how did you feel after the loss? Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen, for Keith Bark-time's new dialect. I think he's referring to this.
Ano pangalan to, boss?
Thurman.
Thurman.
Thurman! Grab ka na.
Now, there is a video that is trending all over social media where Floyd Mayweather is announcing that Maypac 2 is possible for Saudi Arabia. I have show business partners beating down my door asking, ShowBizz the Adult, can you confirm this? Here's a statement released by Floyd Mayweather. There's no truth to me and Pacquiao fighting in a rematch, said Mayweather to Fight Hype. Even if we did fight, all they going to do is have an excuse. You know what I'm saying. Like they did the first time. He can raise his hand after the fight is over. All of a sudden, his shoulder is messed up. Excuse after excuse. A real champion takes his win like a man and takes his loss like a man. As for me and Pacquiao, there will never be a rematch, said Mayweather. So Mayweather has confirmed that there's no truth behind that video. When I saw that video, I didn't believe it either. Why? Because that video looked like it was shot in the 90s.
Bruh.
So that video was old news. The only question I have, what's up with Saudi Arabia? But bottom line, there's no Maypac 2. Hey kid, take it away for me.
Boxing. What's better?